Very good morning, my dear students, 7th standard students. Today, going to teach in civic subject equality lesson. The chapter name is equality. In that lesson, first we need to know what is meant by equality. That is, equality means what? It is a condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all. It is the soul of Indian democracy. That is, equality means equal, everyone should be treated as equal. Either he is a rich, middle class, or poor class, whoever may be, or whether in the religion wise or caste wise, whatever may be. Everywhere the equality is mandatory. Equal things should be going on. That is, whatever the opportunities comes, it should be given to all. That is what about equality. How the equality needs to be fixed in the government perspective means, in a government, for each and every job perspective or any other schemes or any product, any implementations or whatever the things, either in a institution wise or in a labor wise, industrial wise, and everywhere wages, payment, likewise everywhere it should be treated as equal. That is what they have mentioned, equality. Then it is one of the main backbone of the Indian democracy. The next thing is equal right to vote. Equal right to vote is, in a democratic country, whoever may be, either adults or youngsters or old men or old women or in the middle age of men and women or whoever may be, for each and everyone the right to votes is there. That is, adults after the age of 18, everyone are eligible to cast the vote. That is what right to put the vote. Irrespective of the religion, caste, education, status or place of birth, are given the right to vote under universal adult franchise. This is the main thing, universal adult franchise. That is, equal right to vote is mainly we need to put the right to vote. Everyone need to have equality above the age of 18. Either he is a man or woman, boy or girl, above the age of 18, all are having rights to put the vote. Either he belongs to some other caste or this caste or that caste, this religion or that religion, or this state people or that state people. Whoever may be, in India, everyone has having the equal rights to put vote. This is what about the equal right to vote. That is mainly of that are given the right to vote under universal adult franchise. The next one is, does equality exist or not? Yes. In reality, a difference exists between rich and poor. The caste system is also rigid. In what perspective we are saying that in reality a difference exists between rich and poor is mainly of, for what purpose? That is, in some of the areas or in some most of the areas, some peoples are considering rich peoples are good, poor peoples are bad. Likewise, this type of difference opinion should not be there. For that purpose only, we have mentioned the sentence as, does equality exist? So, what the thing means, in some of the schools also, some of the teachers, now I am not blaming about all the teachers, some teachers, what they are treating is, if the student is beautiful and fair color, they are treating it as good. But if the student is normal or in a black color, they are treating it as bad. This type of difference opinion should not exist. But in reality, this is existing. The caste system is also rigid. The caste system is always rigid. This is what about the equality exists. Then next thing is equality in democracy, Indian democracy. In Indian democracy, what does it feels? The Indian constitution recognizes every person are equal. All persons are treated as equal in our Indian democracy. That is what we are discussing about equality in Indian democracy. Universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise is represents with political equality. It does not have social or economic equality. This is what one of the main feature which has been implemented for the equality purpose in our Indian constitution. Then dignity. Dignity means what? Thinking or state of being worthy of esteem or respect. Dignity means we need to have a respect of each and every one while we are calling and pronouncing them and calling and going. Likewise, for each and everything, we need to give a respect. So, by treating of the respect, our nation will be get more and more developed. Then dignity of individual is violated on the basis of caste, religion or gender. That is, through gender or through the body structure or through the caste or anything else, the dignity of individual should be is violated. The next thing is implemented first through law and second through government programs or schemes. Everyone is equal before law. For whatever the things, if whoever may be, whether he is a rich person or poor person, if he did wrong, if rich person did wrong means there is no punishment should not give. Like that type of originality is not there. That is, either he is a rich or poor, whoever is doing the mistake, before to the law, everyone are equal. This is what about equality in Indian democracy.